2021 paper 20th question. Obtain the equation of straight line AB shown in the figure. Okay, before starting to draw the write the equation of the straight line, you have to know what is the equation of straight line. Okay, for these kind of straight line graphs, the common form of our equation is in this form: y equals to mx plus c. Y equals to mx plus c. M is the gradient of this given straight line. M is the gradient of this given straight line, and C will indicate intercept of this straight line. Okay, we will identify each term. If okay, for that, first of all, we have to find gradient of this straight line. Gradient of this straight line. To find gradient, you need two coordinates. At least you need two coordinates to find its gradient. Okay, now I'll write the formula for gradient. Gradient equals to y coordinate difference upon x coordinate difference. Okay, x coordinate difference. Y coordinate difference upon x coordinate difference. Okay, what are our y coordinates? What are our x coordinates? Before that, you have to identify coordinates. Okay, for this place, okay, this straight line is intersecting y-axis at one place and x-axis at another place. We will find coordinates of these points. For that, the coordinate should be in x. Okay, in x, this is located in the y-axis. So, x coordinate for this point should be 0 and y coordinate 3. This is located in y-axis. So, x coordinate equals to 0, y coordinate equals to 3. Then after we will find coordinate of this point. Okay, that is going to be at x axis. It is located 6. But there is no any y values because this is located in the x-axis. So, x value is equals to 6 and y value is going to be equals to 0. Y value is going to be equals to 0. These are our true coordinates. We have to name the coordinates. Okay. This one x1 and y1. I'll identify them as x1 and y1. This one x2 and y2. I'll identify two different coordinates in different manner. x1, y1, x2, y2. Then what is called as y coordinate difference? Okay. To get our y coordinate difference, we have to find difference between y values. For that, y1 minus y2 upon x1 minus x2. Okay. Here another important thing is when you are subtracting from the first coordinate. Okay, when you are subtracting from first coordinate in x also you should subtract from the x coordinates. Okay, what it means? I'll explain that. y1, here our y1 is 3 minus y2 equals to 0. Some cases, some students did this mistake. They directly from the higher value to lower value, they will subtract 6 minus 0. 6 minus 0. So, your answer should be half. Likewise, the students made some mistakes in past papers. But in this case, you should be aware of your steps. If you are subtracting from the first coordinate to second coordinate in y1 minus y2. So, in this manner, you have to subtract your x coordinates too. So, x1 is 0 minus x2 is 6. x2 is 6. So, then after 3 minus 0 is 3. 0 minus 6. Okay, don't consider about this 0. No value. Okay, in this point 0 does not have any value. So, don't consider about 0. We can write only 6. Only 6. Okay. Furthermore, we can simplify this. 3 and 6 can be simplified using number 3. Number 3. 1 3s are 3. 2 3s are 6. So, your answer should be negative half. Negative half. Okay. I'll repeat once more. To find your gradient, y coordinate difference upon x coordinate difference. Y coordinates are y1 minus y2 upon x1 minus x2. So, that is 3 minus 0 upon 0 minus 6. That will give you the gradient as negative half. Okay. Negative half. We found our gradient. But we need to know what is our intercept in this graph. Okay, intercept means where is the place this straight line is intersecting at the y graph. Okay, where is the place this straight line and y axis intersect? Where is the place straight line and y axis intersect? Okay, here you can see this is the straight line and y-axis both intersects at number 3, at number positive 3. So our intersect for this given straight line should be positive 3. So the equation y and x that does not change, that remains same. We have to find gradient and intercept only. The gradient is negative half. And our intercept, where is the place the straight line and y-axis intersects. It intersects at positive 3, at the place positive 3. So this is going to be your graph equation. Okay, this is going to be the equation of this given straight line in this question. Okay, to find that, very easy task, gradient and intercept. If you know both of them, you can substitute in this formula y equals to mx plus c common formula to get your answer.